Our project group is DKM13. Our project title is Prototype of Shoe Rack Using Gear System, and our supervisor name is Madam Rajesh Tuliza, PT Rajesh Hardi. My name is Dainur Amanya, PT Dain Samsuri. My metric number is 09DKM23F1038. I'm going to present about the introduction. Shoe racks are used to store the shoes in large quantities and neatly arranged. In shoe stores, there's a lot of empty space on the wall, or in the other words, a shoe rack that is hung and attached on the wall. This project focuses on filling the space provided with more shoes. It uses a gear system to move the rack from one level to another. It's used as sprocket gear, a chain, and a handle. The problem statement of this project is a traditional shoe rack at the shoe stores is difficult for workers to pick up the shoes placed on shelf hanging above. Number 2, shoe racks that made from plastic doesn't have strong durability. Number 3, retail spaces often underutilized upper areas, missing opportunities for optimized storage solutions. Project objective. Number 1, design a shoe rack using a gear system. Number 2, produce a prototype shoe rack using a gear system to test its effectiveness.
My name is Ayusha binti Muhammad Razali. My metric card number is 09DKM23F1126, and I'll be start explaining with project scopes. The first one is target, used by shoe store workers, and that number 2 is dimension. The dimension is 1.04 by 0.54 by 1.04 meter. And the last one is system, use a sprocket and chain type gears to rotate. Product description. The first one is my steel, which is used for the frame of the shoe rack. The type that are being used are square hollow my steel. We need 9 pieces for the frame. And the second one is plywood, which is for the shaft of the rack. The quantity is 6 pieces for 9mm and 3 pieces for 3mm. And the third one is shaft, which is to transmit power for the gear to change its speed. So the same as the frame of the rack, we use my steel, and the dimension is 25mm by 1 meter, and we need 2 pieces of the shaft. And the last one is chain as a device to roll the gear. We need 2 pieces of the gear. The chain. And the next one is gear, which is to transmit power by engaging to chain. We need 4 pieces of gear for the shoe rack. Next part or component. The frame is 1 unit. The frame is made from my steel, providing a strong and stable structure for the rotating shoe rack. Each of the shaft and shoes. It supports the entire load of the shaft and shoes. What process we are doing is MIG welding. And the second one is shaft. We need 3 rows, and the shaving are attached to the rotating mechanism. Each shaft is made from plywood with 9mm for lightweight strength, and has a smooth seal surface finish to protect against moisture and wear. The joining process is screw 25mm. And the third one is rotating mechanism. We need 2 sets of rotating mechanism, which is gear. There are 2 gear for each side. And the rotating mechanism consists of a sprocket gear and chain, drive system connected to a manual crank handle. The system able to rotate the shaft manually and adjust their position efficiently. And the joining process is MIG welding. And the last one is handle. Okay, we only need 1 piece of handle. The handle is made from cast iron, which provides strong mechanical strength and long-term durability. It connects directly to the sprocket mechanism and allows manual rotation of the rack. And the joining process is MIG welding. And product description for finishing. We use spray paint for coloring and protecting metal surface from rust. The spray is black, and the type, for branding, like BOND7 professional spray paint. And we only need 1 can of them, which weigh around 400 gram. And the second one is chain loop to reduce friction and protect chain from rust and wear. We use Aeropac chain loop or graphite formulation, and also 1 can that contains 200 milliliter or 120 gram. And the last one is varnish for protecting and adding shine to plywood surface. Also need one bottle which is contain 420 ml.
My name is Muhammad Hanif bin Abu Hanifah, 09DKM13F1020, and I will continue with product fabrication. First is material selection, then measuring, then we cut the hollow mile steel, and then we cut the shaft, then we cut the wood and welding, and lastly is finishing. And I will talk about product testing. The shoe rack was loaded with several pairs of shoes to determine the effect of additional weight on the rotation system. The average system recorded for one full rotation with load was 15 seconds. This is how the product testing was done. This is the demonstration on how to use the shoe rack. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini saya akan terangkan cara untuk menggunakan prototype rak kasut. Pertama sekali, untuk meletakkan kasut, kita hendaklah meletakkan secara baring dan rapat dengan dinding belakang. Kerana jika kita meletakkan secara berdiri, kasut akan jatuh. Dan cara untuk memusingkan rak kasut kita pula ialah kita hendaklah menggunakan dua tangan dan pusingkan handle secara arah jam ataupun arah lawan jam. Kemudian untuk maintenance untuk rak kasut ini pula ialah kita perlu menggunakan minyak rantai ataupun chain loop dan spraykan pada rantai. Untuk mengelakkan rantai daripada berkarat dan rosak. Sekian, terima kasih. Now is the commercial value. First is eco-friendly, we use reusable plywood. Second is user-friendly. The rotating mechanism which is sprocket and chain means easier access to back row shafts. Third one is also user-friendly. It is safe, non-slip handle and clear front back access. Fourth one is originality. The rotating dual row system is more innovative than a standard static rack. For selling price, the selling price of this product is RM575.20. This product will be produced at the rate of demand only, which is pre-order only. That's all from us. Thank you.